Welcome to Gateway Bronco. Today we've got live at Barrett Jackson Scottsdale. The first truck that we're going to show is the pilot to the Memphis Belle bomber. The B-17 that was in the famous movie The Memphis Belle. This was the bomber pilot. The machinist, the mechanic responsible for the vehicle, or responsible for the plane after World War II. This was his truck originally. We bought it and now it's going to Stephen Bonney. And this is a fuelie truck. Black leather interior, air conditioning, powered steps like most that we do. Comes down, goes up, no problem. The other truck over here we have, the next one is a, sorry about that. It is a heirloom vehicle. This vehicle is a one owner, 48 years in the making. We did a press conference yesterday with the owner's grandson. So we call this Gramp 69. This truck started life as a 6-cylinder truck. 60% panel replacement for this customer, and this truck is now a 500 horse Edelbrock fuel injected beast. The engine came from the grandfather's son and has a 351 now. The truck beside it is a beautiful green. You've probably seen this before. The owner gets this for Valentine's. This is a Porsche leather interior, one owner vehicle, 21,000 miles, unbelievably good condition. This is a daily driver for our customer, or will be very soon. Coyote 5-liter power, Hydro Boost brakes, brakes just like a new vehicle, stops faster 60 to 0 than a Ford Raptor, and a 6-speed Raptor transmission to round it out. You'll notice that in the ceiling, you've got the suede top. It is all just absolutely amazing, and the Porsche 911R interior. So we come around here, you'll see that we have a full booth of folks here, and this is our restoration shots from the heirloom vehicle, 60% panel replacement, and then just below that is our signature coffee table. And yes, you can order a signature coffee table from Gateway Bronco. Over here there is a Coyote edition Bronco. It's a Coyote with a 5-speed ZF transmission, just like the others. Laser straight Brittany blue. Look right down the line there, laser straight. Our guys do amazing work. And this is a modern day Warrior going to San Diego. Again, it's a Coyote, 6-speed Raptor transmission. One of our most popular interiors, the Porsche 911R. This has got LED lights, it's got Raptor line floor, air conditioning, it's got power windows even. So you can actually operate the windows. They look vintage, but they're powered windows. It's got a flip and fold seat in the back. Everything is just exceptional. Now we've got one here. This is a very special vehicle. This is a vehicle that is for sale here at the show. It's $160,000. It is a fuel-injected 425 horse stroker engine. It is painted all matte blue with a painted stripe set. It's a Ranger stripe modified for a cut wheel well, all painted on with XPEL covering over that. And from there, you'll see that we've got King Ranch leather in this one. This is authentic King Ranch leather. Unbelievably cool truck. And then in the back you'll see this is barnwood, right out of our showroom, barnwood. So when we turn the key on this, you'll be able to see that we have power windows. You go down, here comes the window, go up. Just a really trick setup with the Ford GT350 wheel. We love our Fords. And look at those door gaps, just beautiful. Clean fit and finish. This is what we have here at Barrett Jackson Scottsdale. Come join us. We'd love to see you. Thank you so much for joining.